Alright, here we go. So this is a firework that I got from 7-Eleven that I am about to try. It's called a boomer. And we are about to light it up. Let's see if it works. And they got water just in case. Come on, I think I messed it up. Come on. Don't tell me that was it. Yeah. Okay, part 2. This time I got sunglasses just in case. And also I'm in New Jersey, so it might be illegal, and there's a cop somewhere down there. He's like close to me, like some blocks down, but whatever. Let's do this. This one is brand new, so let's do this. I also have a cup of water in case anything goes wrong. Just remember, protection always comes first. Safety first actually is the real term. That's the way it is, alright? I don't know if you can see me, whatever. Here we go. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go, there we go. Beautiful. Closer look. Is that it? Well, that was something. Yeah, that really did not last. I'm guessing, of course, it's hot to the touch, right? So, yeah, not the bottom, so I guess I'll just throw it out. But yeah, there's the shitty what is it? Here we go. It's a shitty Cuckoo boomer, fucking made by Boomer. It's called Cuckoo. It's stupid. But well, that's it. Thanks for watching, I guess.